welcome to my channel Lux Lucem. I am Frank. Today we will have a look at the limited edition Spartan created for the 100th anniversary of the registration of the first Swiss Army knife back in 1897. The first one was called the original Swiss knife. The Spartan is its closest descendant. This Spartan limited edition was released in 1997 to celebrate the Swiss Army knife first century. It has everything that makes a Spartan: toothpick, tweezers, small blade, classic blade, corkscrew, awl, can opener, bottle opener. But what makes it different from a classic Spartan? One of the scales is decorated in silver with the evolution of shapes and numbers of tools, and with the dates of the anniversary. The main blade has a red and white printed Victorinox 100 years Swiss Army knife. And hidden by the corkscrew, its number is stamped on the side plate. This is a beautiful and classic way to celebrate a world-famous classic piece of engineering. That's all for now. Please leave a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. It's important for the channel. I am still Frank and you are still watching Lux Lucem. Bye!